Okay, we'll show you how we make watermelon ice. I like to call it my watermelon ice cream, but it's not actually ice cream, but it's very, very good. Okay. It's our freezer. What we have in the freezer is watermelon. It's been sitting in there overnight. Okay. And I have another bowl that's cold. That's been in there. We're gonna take that. Okay. Bring it over here to the counter. Okay. Now we're gonna what we're gonna do is we're gonna grate this watermelon. It's frozen solid. Okay. We're gonna grate the watermelon. Then get the other ingredients. Where are we? Okay, honey. Got a lot of good eating stuff in this refrigerator. Okay. All right. Then we got this is sea salt, Himalayan sea salt, pink Himalayan sea salt. That. We got our watermelon, of course, and we got honey. Okay. Now we're going to show you. Oh, one more item. Almost forgot. Okay, a lemon. Now you can use lime if you like, if you prefer. I prefer lemon. Okay, that's going to be our ingredients. And this is how we're going to do it. Okay, if you notice, all the ingredients are cold. Okay, the lemon, the honey, of course the bowls, both bowls, and of course the watermelon's frozen. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to get our lemon, or like I say, you can use lime if you like. Okay, we're just going to simply take our lemon and squeeze it. Just a little lemon juice here. Okay. You don't need a lot of lemon, but okay, we got a little lemon juice here. We'll set this aside. Now we take our cold, this bowl's out the freezer like you saw. We'll take a grater. It's like a regular, I guess you'd call it a cheese grater. And what we're going to do is, so this is frozen. What we're going to do is we're going to grate it. Okay, and see it makes a ice. Okay. I have a lot of frozen watermelon there. It doesn't take a lot, as you can see. Okay. Now I'm not going to grate it all the way down to get my fingers in there. Get some skin in there. And this is frozen solid. Okay. You get the idea. And you talking about some good eating. Talking about good to eat. Okay, we just got a little bit. Just to show you. I call it watermelon ice cream. Okay. Alright. Now what I do is I kind of add honey to taste. Okay, you can use any kind of honey. This is pure honey. Now, I put the honey in the refrigerator, and the idea of that is so it'll be cold, so it doesn't, I don't want warm honey on my ice cream. Okay, you can see what I'm doing. Mind making away the camera. Put a little bit, not a whole bunch. Okay, then the next ingredient is going to be Himalayan sea salt. And we're going to just put just a dash of salt in there. Not a whole bunch. A pinch, I guess that's what you'd call it. And next we're going to go with lemon, or you can go with lime. Okay. Alright, there's your lime. Or lemon, rather. Just put a little bit. Okay. Now what we're going to do is mix it all up. Okay. I put a little bit too much honey, it looks like. But you get the idea. Let's put a little bit more, a little more watermelon in there. Like I said, I don't measure anything. I just kind of play by ear. So that's sometimes when you do that, you put more ingredients sometimes. Okay. Try not to put a layer of skin in there. Oh, it's cold. Okay. You can see it just flakes. Excuse me, just it's like a slush, I guess you'd call it. Mix it all around. All right, give it a little taste. Open wide. Oh, wait a minute, I'm tasting. Now that is good. Very, very good. And you can do it to taste. Okay. If you know, excuse me, if you know from cooking, a lot of times in something sweet like this, you add salt. And salt actually makes it sweeter. If you put a small amount of salt, it opens up the taste buds, I guess. I'm not a scientist. But I tell you what, this was sticking to the bottom of the thing. It's starting to freeze. Now this is very, very good. Try it. Here. Here. Oh, wait a minute. I gotta try it. Mm-hmm. Now that's a good dessert if you like for the summertime for the kids, and you don't want to feed them sugar or anything that's bad for them, or you want to keep them, it'll cool you down, cool you off quick. And of course I'd make a lot more than this. You see, I got a whole thing of watermelon. I'll make a whole bunch more. I'm just doing a small amount just to show you. Some people, you can try with lime if you like lime instead of the lemons. Just of course, do it with a lime. Some people use maple syrup. Okay. I've tried it with maple syrup. Some people might prefer the maple syrup. I hope you can hear me. This happens to be a sugar-free syrup. This is pretty good. If you put some of that in there, it adds to the flavor, if you like them. And you just do this to taste. And I tell you what, it's very, very good. Try it. Try it, you're gonna like it. Hope that helps someone. Our grandkids love this stuff. And it's easy to make. Just put your watermelon in the freezer. All right, I hope this helps someone. I hope you enjoy it. I hope it's a good treat for you. But experiment with the amount of salt, the amount of lemon juice or lime juice you use, and the amount of honey to the amount of watermelon. You just got to play with it so you get it to your taste. I like it. If there's too much of this or that, it makes no difference to me. As long as there's not too much salt. As long as there's not too much salt. Anyway, how we do it here. I call it watermelon ice cream. And it is very, very, very good. Okay, let me add this. See, I made a whole bunch more. Sometimes I like to let the honey, don't really mix it up, put the honey on the top when I get ready to eat it. The other thing I want to say is you might want to cut your watermelon bigger. It'll make it a lot easier. And I use the fine things on the cheese grater. It's getting lunchtime and the dogs are getting hungry and they're gonna let us know. So anyway, I just want to add that. But it's very, very good. Like I say, cut your watermelon bigger and it gets real cold with the little pieces. Almost feel like you gotta wear gloves. This watermelon was already cut up for us to eat. I didn't do it particularly to make the my watermelon ice cream. That's how we do it here. Watermelon ice cream.